Hi everybody, this video is the beginning of Learning Tableau course. In this series, we will learn Tableau from zero to professional in a very simple way. You don't need to have any previous knowledge before this course. If you are working in data analysis, it's very important to learn an application like Tableau, which is easy, not simple interface, not complicated, that will help you create your professional dashboard, graphs, and charts. Tableau is usually paid, but there is a free version which is called Tableau Public. So you can use Tableau Public for learning. Today we'll learn how to download and install Tableau. To download and install Tableau, you can simply go to any search engine, write download Tableau Public free. And then you will find the download button from the official website of Tableau, as you can see. Click download and you will get the Tableau website. In order to get the application, you will need to sign up, or if you have a user, you already signed a user in this website, you will sign in using your email. To sign up, you will need to write your first name, last name, email, and choose a role that is suitable for you. Whether you are a personal user, researcher, student, or teacher or educator. Choose your role from here. And then click download. If download didn't start, you will get this note saying that you can click your system to start download. The download notification pops up, then click save as, choose where you want to save Tableau, and once it's finished, you can go to the place you saved it in. You will find Tableau, right click run as administrator. And then the installing process will start. First, you need to agree or to accept the terms of the license agreement and then install. Wait for the progress to finish. It will take a few minutes. And then it will ask you to restart your PC. Click restart. When you come back after restart, you will find a shortcut for Tableau on your desktop and another shortcut in your start menu. Let's open it. This is the interface of Tableau. It's, as you can see, it's very simple. In the left side, from here, you can see connect the Tableau to your data set. You have many dataset types you can connect it to: Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON, Microsoft Access. You can connect to one of these databases, or to connect to the database from the server. You can click more to see more options for data connection. For example, if you have data on Google Drive, you can grab it, or you can search for your server to connect your data set. In the menu bar, you can see three menus. File menu to generally work on your file, to open a new file, or to open an existing file, or to open a file from Tableau. Data to work with data. On the right hand, you can see some helping tools to learn for learning, like a manual to learn Tableau, like watch how-to videos. This will provide some videos to learn you how to use Tableau. You can also explore sample data sets that are available on Tableau. When you click it, it will take you to Tableau website in the sample data sections, where you can download a sample data to work on or to connect to Tableau. That's all for today, guys. I hope you download and install Tableau to be ready for the next video. In the next video, we will start connecting dataset to Tableau and start working in the workspace of Tableau. Thank you guys. I will see you next video.